Let us talk about ARIA roles. ARIA is Accessible Rich Internet Applications, and this is specifically has come up in HTML5 for those people who are visually impaired or those people with special ability. Now they want to use internet, they can only use via a voiceover or screen reader. There are softwares available which actually speaks out what is there in your web page. Now this ARIA role makes the web page more interactive and usable for everyone. How? Let us see with an example. We have an example, and let me run the script. The web page is like this. This is for those who have not seen how we made this simple web page. Let me explain in brief. This is the header of the page, and this is the footer of the page. These are navigation. These are two articles, and this is aside. Every article has its own header and footer. So the basic part of this web page is the header, footer, navigation, article, and aside also. So what if a visually impaired user want to know that where his mouse has reached, or what are the important parts of the web page? For that, the ARIA role comes to play, and it makes life pretty easier. Now let me open it with a Notepad++, and side by side we will also have this web page. Now there are heading and body part. Heading, you can see this is the ARIA roles, and there is a style sheet by virtue of which you can see various colors, various fonts also. But our idea and our emphasis will be on these rows. So this heading, see, this is the heading, and this is a banner. This is a banner, and banner H1 role is equal to banner. We say that this is a banner. So whenever a visually impaired person comes to this web page and it has some screen reader, it will speak out that this is the banner. And once you come down and the mouse comes here or any control come here, it will speak out that you are now on navigation. When you go to this place, it says that this is the article. Again, you go to this place, this again say it is the article. If you or the user goes to the footer, this footer, it will say that now you are on to the footer. This role is there. So this role makes visually impaired person use and develop also the web page in HTML5 easier. So roles are given by the tag name, and role is equal to content info, role is equal to article, and it makes this article as a ARIA role functionality. So thank you so much. Take care.